What's going on, guys? So today is December 29th, and basically for the first, I guess, 10 people that come and join me in my learning group, I'll teach you guys how to learn to code for all of January, and we'll go through projects, we'll do a bunch of stuff. So I just put a post out. Here's what it says. It says, I'm willing to teach 1 to 10 people to code for free. The requirements are you are willing to commit 5 to 6 hours a day studying together for all of January. Saturdays are exceptional. Optional. So we will be learning and building projects, and by the end you will be able to freelance, and we'll have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Git, and can start applying for jobs. We will be accountability partners, and I will buy you domains for your personal portfolios for everyone who makes it to the end. February 1st. So if you want to join, first join our Discord server by visiting w3develops.org, and then click on the community tab, and click on that, and then once you click on that, it should drop down. So click on the community bar and let it drop down, and click on the Discord chat link. I suggest you download the app for your desktop or your phone. Once you have joined the Discord server, send me a message. My username is .w3develops.org. And we will learn from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, listen, I really hope that you guys come and take advantage of this. This is gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna be building projects. You guys are definitely gonna be, whoever makes it to the end and is able to, keep up and do this with us. This is really for beginners and people. I would hope you have a little bit of HTML and CSS skills. But if we're using Free Code Camp and Mozilla, and we're going through those every single day, 6 hours a day. We're like 10 people. We're working through it. At the moment, we probably have like 15 people that's doing it. So, if you guys actually come along, you'd be extras. But listen, I'm noticing that there's people that want to do this, and I would love to learn with you guys, and I would love to help you guys learn. So if you're interested, we're gonna be going hard 6 hours a day, every single day. You don't have to go on Saturdays. We're gonna have meetings. We're gonna have a meeting today, later on today at 6 p.m. EST. We're having our first meeting, and it's the 29th. So we're gonna be using Discord to communicate. The advantages are we will have voice chat, and we will have video chat options. So I hope to see you guys there.